continue our lesson on 5 electron groups of VSEPR. Okay, so I believe after we discussed about 2 electron groups, 3 electron groups, and 4 electron groups, now you start getting the hang of it. Okay, you know that there are basic structure or basic shape that hold to it, and then after we replace one bonding pair with one lone pair, therefore the shape change a little bit. And then if we change to another lone pair, it's going to change again. Okay, so this is what happened again in 5 electron groups and 6 electron groups. Okay, so when we have 5 electron groups, we have like 4 type of shape that possible to come out of it. Okay, so the first one, okay, we call it as trigonal pyramidal. Trigonal bipyramidal, meaning that kita ada dua piramid berkaki segitiga. Okay, so berapa banyak bonding pair? We are looking at 5 bonding pair, 5 electron groups, but here we have 5 electron, 5 bonding pair. Okay, so when we have 5 bonding pair, macam mana susunan dia tu? Susunan dia is something like 3 berada di equatorial. That's why I write here equatorial. Okay, so yang 3 dekat tengah-tengah ni, it seems like arrangement dia ialah 120 degree away. 120 degree away. So dapat bayangkan tak, dia 3 dekat tengah-tengah tu. And then we bring it to the side ataupun outward, downward, atas dan bawah. This is 90 degree away. Okay, kalau kita tengok balik kita punya shape yang asal ni, okay, kita tengok macam ni. Okay, so this is your equatorial. Okay, 120 degree away. And then kita ada yang kat sini nama dia axial. Okay, so that's why kita kata bentuk dia macam piramid tapak segitiga, atas dan bawah, therefore dia bipyramid. Okay. Alright. So dah nampak Hopefully you nampak lah bentuk trigonal bipyramidal when we have 5 bonding pair of 5 electron groups. Okay, so we moving on. Okay, kita move on. Kita still ada 5 electron groups. Okay, 5 electron groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And if you notice, the 5th one is the electron pair. Okay, so remember electron pair, dia tak ada bentuk, but then dia ada strong repulsion. Okay, strong repulsion as compared to bonding pair. So what happened now? Okay, when we replace one bonding pair with one lone pair in 5 electron groups, okay, we start to replace dekat equatorial dulu. Okay, ingat kita ada 3 equatorial and 2 dekat axial. Okay, so dekat equatorial tu kita tukarkan satu, so sekarang bentuk dia dah jadi macam seesaw. That's why bila kita draw, okay, kalau kita draw, kita ada 2 axial macam ni, dan kita ada 2 equatorial. Okay, so kat sini kita punya lone pair. So kalau kita tengok, kita ada 4 bonding pair and 1 lone pair. So when we arrange, the shape will become something like seesaw, jongkang-jongkit. So here the bonding is all less than 190, less than 90, less than 120. Alright, moving on. Bila kita ada still 5 electron groups, but 3 bonding pair and 2 lone pair. So the name is going to be T-shape. Okay, the angle will be less than 90 degree. So ni bentuk dia macam T. Bila nak lukis, you lukiskan bentuk dia macam T. Kalau you lukis macam ni pun boleh juga. Sorry. Okay, so kalau macam ni lagi nampak macam T lah. T macam tu. Okay. Alright, and last but not least, when you have 3 lone pair and 2 bonding pair, bentuk dia kembali kepada linear because we remove all the equatorial. So we have this 180 degree. Right. So I hope that you can memorize this. Okay, 5 electron groups. Dia ada 4 bentuk. It can be so it's either trigonal pyramidal, seesaw, T-shape or linear. Okay. So we look at our example here. Okay, so here we have CLF3. Okay, so of course, if you do it on your own, you actually need to draw the Lewis structure. Okay, so but then for the sake of learning, okay, so I trust you that you already try your best to learn how to draw Lewis structure. So I just put it shortcut here like this. So here is the Lewis structure. So again, daripada Lewis structure, kita nak tengok apa? Kita nak tengok dia punya bonding pair and lone pair. So CLF3, we have here our central atom. Okay. So central atom is attached to 3 bonding pair. Alright, 3 bonding pair and 2 lone pair. So kita ada total of 5 electron groups, but we have 3 bonding pair here. So kita nak susun dia dekat mana? Apa nama bentuk dia? Anyone can tell me what is the name of this? Okay. So kita ada 3 bonding pair and 2 lone pair. So bentuk dia ialah T-shape. Alright. So kalau T-shape meaning that if you want to draw, you need to draw it sampai jadi bentuk T-shape lah. Kalau you nak draw dia, you akan draw something like this. L, F, F, F. Okay, less than 90. So that is how you draw your T-shape. Alright. Kita tengok pula bila kita ada SF4. SF4. So again molecule like SF4, kalau you tak kira dia punya valence electron, it's very easy for you to fall into assuming that it is 4 electron groups. Sebab dia macam SF4, oh macam stable je SF4 kan. Stable juga kalau ni. Cumanya bila you draw elok-elok baru you nampak bahawa dia ada 5 electron groups. So the 5th electron group is actually one lone pair. Lone pair that reside on sulfur. Sulfur duduk kat period 3, so sulfur can hold more than 8 electron. Okay, so kita ada dekat sini 5 electron groups, 4 bonding pair and 1 lone pair. So bentuk dia sepatutnya akan jadi seesaw. Okay, so bentuk dia dekat sini seesaw. So when you want to draw your seesaw, you boleh lukis something jadi macam ni je. Okay, so macam mana nak jadikan bentuk dia nampak seesaw pun penting juga. Supaya bila you lukis for your test tu, dia nampak representation dia tu. So this is seesaw. And you put lah the angle there. Alright. So next kita tengok kita punya XeF2. Again, XeF2. Total elektron dia ada 22. So you memang kena kira. Jangan assume dia ada 2 electron groups je. So kalau kita tengok, dia ada 5 electron group. Okay. 3 of it is lone pair and only 2 bonding pair. So it belongs to linear. Kat mana linear? Okay, linear kat sini. Okay. So PCl5. Okay, PCl5 basically bila you calculate pun, okay, nicely dia 40. So 40 electron, valence electron. You put in everything. And dia ialah trigonal pyramidal. Okay. So this is the shape of 5 electron groups. Right, kita moving on to 6 electron groups. Okay. So 6 electron group consists of octahedral, okay, square pyramidal. Pyramidal satu piramid je, square pyramid, piramid segi 4. And then we have square planar. So again, macam mana kita nak buat bila kita tengok Lewis structure, you start to identify 1, 2, 3, 4. nama ni? 4 bonding pair and you have 2 lone pair. So bentuk dia sepatutnya akan jadi trigonal planar. Okay, so here is trigonal planar. Right, so SF6 here. SF6 kita ada 6 electron groups. So bentuk dia ialah octahedral. And BRF5 kita ada 1 lone pair, 5 bonding pair, therefore dia jadi square pyramidal. So I hope with this exposure, you can take your time listening to this lecture. Try to draw the Lewis structure on your own. Try to memorize the shape satu-satu, okay, and the bond angle, and try to make sense out of it, okay. So bila you dah ulang 2-3 kali, I do believe that this is actually pretty easy. Once you memorize the shape and the angle and you know how to draw Lewis structure, this is actually fairly easy, okay. So that's all for the VSEPR. I really hope that you are okay with this and try to memorize as much as you can on this topic. Alright, so thank you.